Somebody call me a taxi. MPU board that was sent in for a little bit of a refresh. So what I did to it is I replaced both the 10 microfarad caps over here in the sound section. Sometimes they fail and one of your, or a set of your sounds will no longer be the correct volume. 3 power input filter caps and 1 cap in the reset section, and VRAM added, and the FET mod was implemented. That is these 8 1K resistors. There's 8 on the back, and then these FETs that drive the lamp matrix now, so it'll reduce the heat on the board substantially. And this board is not too bad, really. It's seen a little bit of heat. I will give this thing a wash before I send it back to the client. But let's put it into test. Right now we have the lamp matrix operating properly. I've implemented a high-tech shade so that we can see the display is better. And in test we go. Sorry, my furnace is on. It is 4 degrees in St. Louis. The sounds or the music is working just perfectly. This is a Taxi, which has the bonus display, which shows up here on my Victor/dumbass design master multi-game display board, and you can see those are all working as they should. Next test is sound test.
Hey, millions! Ooh. Jackpot! Taxi! Ho, ho, ho! Taxi!
Working properly. All lamp test. Then individual lamps. And the next test is solenoid test. This solenoid is the AC select relay. So you may be able to hear it clicking on as it drives the C side of the solenoid banks. The 2 blue LEDs lower right are the flipper enable relays, and these are the special solenoids, and those all work properly when driven by the CPU. Now switch driven, I can do that here also, and those all work perfectly. The next test is switch test. So let me go through all of row 1. And then all of column 1. And those are all working properly. We can scroll through the audits and adjustments. I'm going to put it into free play. Whoops. And cycle through everything. It'll reboot. And it says free play. Cycle power quickly. See that it comes up in free play. And we know that our NVRAM is connected and working properly. So let's get Taxi back to picking up Gorby and Dracula, etc. Thank you for sending it.